Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go! Wow, Francesco!
Take a good look at Francesco now. Once the race begins, you will see only a blur. Ho ho!
Lightning McQueen! Wow! Tormentor!
Pour it on! Oh, he got Dave! Daddy-o.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez! Cool, DJ! Yeah! Lightning McQueen! Wow, Francesco!
Francesco is triple speed. Ho ho! Francesco likes this, McQueen.
Wow, Tormentor!
Gotcha.
Watch this.
Who is that? Cruz Ramirez! Cool, DJ!
Hey, yo, DJ! What up? We got ourselves a nodder.
Let's find Lightning McQueen! Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen! Let's go! Who is that? Ramon! Wow!
The Honorable Doc Hudson presiding.
Sure.
Whoa! Fillmore! Wow!
This organic fuel is great! Why haven't I heard about it before?
It's a conspiracy, man!
Wow! Dynakakin! Yeah!
Bet you're stupid.
Excuse me?
This ain't a one-man deal, kid. You need to wise up and get yourself a good crew chief.
This is Sheriff! Yeah!
Ooh, I haven't gone this fast in years.
Serpentine! Serpentine! Serpentine!
What?
This is Gibson Marshall! Yeah!
You was worried about me, wasn't you? Huh?
This is Doc Hudson. Yeah.
I knew you needed a crew chief, but I didn't know it was this bad.
I thought you said you'd never come back.
Well, I really didn't have a choice.
Whoa, this is Finn. Yeah. Wow, Francesco. Haha.
Bumper to bumper as they approach the finish line. McQueen's the winner.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
See?
This is Jackson Storm. Wow.
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run. Enjoy your retirement.
Who is that? Sally. Haha.
And now you get to decide when you're done racing. So what's it gonna be, Stinky?
Who is that? Tomato. Wow. Who is that? Tomato. Wow. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Time to go.
46 miles per hour. 63 miles out of range. Out of range. Out of range.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
McQueen's the winner. Francesco second. And they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow!